in English grammar. Today we are going to learn about types of sentences. First, we will see definition of sentence. A sentence is a group of words that makes complete sense. Means, in short, sentence means group of words. Okay. Therefore, there are four types of sentences. First, assertive sentence. Second, imperative sentence. Third, interrogative sentence. And last, fourth one is exclamatory sentence. But now we will study first the type of sentence, that is assertive sentence. Assertive sentence is also called as declarative sentence. Why they are called as declarative sentence? Because they gives a statement or they make a statement. So, assertive sentence is also called as declarative sentence. But assertive sentence have also two types. First one is affirmative assertive sentence and second negative assertive sentence. Assertive sentence always starts with capital letter and ends with full stop. Next, we will see some examples. First, he completed his homework. He completed his homework. This is affirmative assertive sentence. This is affirmative assertive sentence. Why this is affirmative assertive sentence? Because students, he completed his homework. This sentence indicates positive manner. So this is affirmative assertive sentence. Next example. He did not complete his homework. He did not complete his homework. This sentence is negative assertive sentence. This sentence is negative assertive sentence. Why? Because look here, this not word indicates negative manner. This not word indicates negative manner. So he did not complete his homework. This sentence is negative assertive sentence. Like this, it was a boring film. It was a boring film. This is affirmative assertive sentence because this sentence indicates positive manner. Here opposite, it was not a boring film. It was not a boring film. This is negative assertive sentence. Why? Because here not word indicates negative manner. So it was not a boring film. This is negative assertive sentence. Like this, I am a doctor. I am a doctor. This is affirmative assertive sentence. Here I am not a doctor. I am not a doctor. This is negative assertive sentence because here not word is included. Means negative sentence contains not, none, nothing, no, etc. Imperative sentence makes and a request gives command or an instruction. Means in this type of sentence you can give any instruction to other, yeah, you can do any command to other. For examples, come in, sit down, stand up, shut the door, open the door. Means you can give any order to other, yeah, you can give any instruction to other. Now we will study third type, interrogative sentence. Interrogative sentence asks question. Means in this type of sentence you can ask a different type of questions. Interrogative sentence mostly used in dialogue or in conversation. Interrogative sentence always starts with capital letter but always ends with question mark, and this is a sign of question mark. Now next we will see examples. First, what is your name? What is your name? Where do you live? Where do you live? In this way. Now next we will see fourth type, exclamatory sentence. In exclamatory sentence you can express your strong and sudden feelings, but you can express your happiness or sadness here. For example, my foot, so wonderful, what a beautiful rainbow. Like this, what a kind man, how wonderful, so beautiful. Yeah, how cute baby this is. What a beautiful car. In this way, today we have learnt type of sentences. In this way, today we have learnt type of sentences. First type, affirmative sentence. Second, imperative sentence. Third, interrogative sentence. And fourth, last one is exclamatory sentence. In affirmative sentence have two types of affirmative sentence and negative sentence. Imperative sentence always starts with capital letter and ends with full stop. Interrogative sentence always starts with capital letter but ends with question mark. And exclamatory sentence always starts with capital letter but ends with exclamation sign.